Hi everyone! So this is another unboxing video again, except we are going to be doing Chanel earrings. I don't know if you guys notice, I love Chanel earrings. I think they just look so sleek and elegant that I just love going into the store just to see what the new styles are out. But I bought new ones today. So when you go into the Chanel store, they always give you the little camellia flower and also on your receipt, but my one fell off on the receipt. So I don't know which one. I bought 3 pairs. I don't know which one this one is, so this is going to be a surprise for me too. So let's get with the unboxing. Got to take off the flower and untie the bow. You can just put one corner off and then it slips off like this. All right, surprise time. Which one is this one that I bought? So it all comes in these bag. Here's the Chanel thingy-my-bubbies. Dun dun dun. Okay, so these are like the dangly hoop ones. I don't know if you can see that. So this is not silver. This is like a very light gold. It's got like diamantes around the hoop on your ear and also on the side of the Chanel on the outer edges, if you can see that. These look so good on. I'm going to try them on just to show you guys how they look. So I'm just going to take this off and we can try them on. So here's one. And that's how they look. I feel like this would look better with your hair up instead of when they're down, but they're really cute on. Oh my god, should I just go in closer? So that's how it looks. Oh, love them, love them, love them. Let me put the other side on. Now, depending, like there's these backing things, you can actually take them off. I like to keep them on, but they're only really there as, I think there's, I forget what it's for, but you can take them off. Okay, here we go, that's in, and here we are. Yeah, I would definitely wear my hair up when I'm wearing these so that you can just see it more clearly. Like this. And then the other side. Like so. And then front view, you can't really tell front view, or maybe because I have fat cheeks, it kind of covers the earrings, but that is front view. They do dangle a bit. Yeah, love these. Let me know what you think of these ones. Oh wait, let me show you the price. Hang on. I can't tell which one is this one. I think this one was this one. Let me just see if there's any on here. Actually, it should be on the box. Oh my god, it's not even on the box. Oh my god, I can't tell which one these are. Oh, yeah, love them. Anyways, I've got 2 more to unbox. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thanks.